training drill is roaming knee lifts. It's aimed towards beginners, but it's a great exercise for all levels. Level 1, or progression 1, straight to the line. Get up onto the slack line, close to the anchor point. You're going to make your way across the line, but first, you lift the knee, take it out to the side, bring it back, and then step. Lift the knee towards the middle, take it out to the side, bring it back, and step. Trying to maintain your core facing forward and balance strong and steady. Lifting the knee to the center, taking it out to the side, bringing it back, and stepping. Have a slight bend in the standing leg to help me balance as I find leg movement with the roaming leg. Remember to breathe, always remember to breathe. Okay, progression 1's all the way across the line. We're going to fast forward a little bit, take bigger steps. And then progression 2. We're going to go backwards, but this time we're going to take the leg out to the side, bring it in to the center, take it back out to the side, and step back. Doing this, going all the way back across the line. To the side, center, side, back. Side, center, side, back. Side, center, side, back. And as I take it back, notice I lean forward a little bit, keeping a strong, steady weight towards the toes, and then transitioning to both feet until I step and keep all the weight on the opposite foot. Out to the side, in, center, outside, step. Take that all the way across the line. Boom, boom. That's progression 2. Progression 3, starting at the close anchor point again, getting up onto the line. You're going to make your way across the line. This time the foot flare will be like so. Knee towards the center, knee out to the side, straighten the leg, keep it straight, bring it back to the center, and take a step. Knee to the center, knee out to the side, straighten the leg, keep it straight, bring it back to the center, and take a step. Again, knee center, knee side, straight leg center, take a step. This is progression 3. Do this all the way across the line. If you want a bonus, do it backwards. Otherwise, send us your videos. Have fun with these. Keep training. Until next time. Peace, SLACKROBATS.